What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was cleaning off my table after a video, the How to Make Miniature Clocks for Ken Dolls video and Make It Mini Spa, that has real spa products for humans, not dolls. I just like the little jars and accessories, and don't plan on using the actual spa products. This was the sugar scrub, but I'm going to rinse it out and find something else to fill them with that's a little more dollhouse friendly. In the video, I mentioned using seed beads to look like bath salts or bath beads. I like that they add like a little sparkle. Some of you mentioned sand as an option. All I could find in my studio was kinetic sand. I think that could totally work as a scrub. And we can scoop it out. I am feeling super inspired. There are so many spa things I want to do. Let's take a trip to Target to see what's on the shelves. I'm seeing MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Spa. There are a couple of boxes here, and they are priced at $9.99. Zuru Mini Brands Create Master Chef. We do have a full video for these, and oh yeah, Mini Brands Retro. I found them. And here are Mini Brands Create Garden. Let's get a couple of these. I'm gonna be good. Just get a few, like 6. And we found Disney Mini Brands Series 3 with 50 new minis. Choices must be made. Oh, is that turning red? And we're back, but we're still in Target. Well, our miniature Target filled with mini brands. And today we're adding more. I went ahead and picked up the Mini Brands Disney Store Edition Series 3 capsules with epic movie moment minis. Ooh, is that kind of like how Disney Doorables does movie moments? You know, these. The side shows a picture of Buzz Lightyear coming out of the packaging. This was $7.99, and we can expect items from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. Let's pull the tab on the side and get started. The base wrapper for this series is kind of a purpley periwinkle color. There were 5 bags inside and the collector's guide, where we see all the items in this series. Looks like we have Legendary, we have Elsa and Buzz coming out of their boxes, same with Iconic, and Luxury. Not sure how dolls coming out of their boxes is going to look in my miniature Target. Might have to put that in a miniature doll collector room. Ultra Rare gives us VHS tapes, and it looks like a few books. Why do those have to be rare? Under Rare, we have another book, and Anna and Elsa in that new Disney packaging. And is that an Encanto book, or is it a VHS? And there's a Mirabelle doll. Under Common, I see the Red Panda from Turning Red, another Encanto doll, but other than that, not a lot of dolls. I mean, we have the Animators Collection type ones, but well, that is Sally, but Relax, Toya. Let's not judge until we see the minis. Opening our first one, which is... Oh, is that the panda? It is! It's a little plastic plush of the Red Panda from Turning Red. It's a stationary figure that is painted all the way around. We're gonna need to clear some shelf space. But for right now, we can put the panda right here. Whatever is in here is making a noise. Let's open it up, and we have a box. It's a puzzle. And it opens with real pieces inside. They made a box that's not empty. Thank you. But the pieces are kinda large. Then again, jumbo puzzle pieces are a thing. Okay, where are the dolls? In this one, we have a Disney gift card. It's a little paper envelope, and inside we have a tiny card. Come on. Oh, it's Grogu! It's an image on cardstock. It does have a little shine to it. And there are words on the back letting you know this is not a real gift card. Here it is with a doll for scale. It is a little large, but you can totally make it work. I want dolls. I want dolls. I want dolls. Yay! We got Mirabelle from Encanto. The minifigure is attached to the back of the box, but she looks great in our miniature Target. This is the 5th bag from that capsule, and we're getting a VHS tape. We got Beauty and the Beast on VHS. Here's the side and the back, and it looks like it opens. Yes, it does! And we can take the tape out. There's a sticker with details on the front and sculpted details on the back. We should totally put this in our video rental store. Honestly, this is one of my favorite rooms. It brings back memories, just like Disney on VHS. We can place it right here on the shelf, and look at that! It fits in nicely with our little crafted VHS tapes. But our crafted tapes are a tiny bit larger than the mini brands. Check out this video if you would like to see how we made it. On to the next. So far, VHS tapes, Disney dolls, and books are pretty much what I am looking for. And I wouldn't be mad if there was a Disney Princess only capsule. But that's just my personal preference. Here we have a plastic Mickey plush. It's a little figure of Mickey Mouse, not too far off from the minifigures we find at the dollar store. We could probably put all of these on the same shelf or in the same display to look like we have more options. In the next bag, we find a Toy Story water bottle. The image looks like a clear sticker, so you could probably customize this if you want. This feels like another gift card. Please don't say every single capsule has a gift card. I mean, Grogu is adorable, but it's paper. If we would like to DIY a few gift cards, we can look in magazines and or flyers for pictures of them. Get a piece of clear tape, cover the image you want to cut out, glue it onto cardstock, cut them out to make more miniature gift cards. And the scale looks pretty good. And they were pretty much free. Opening another one, it's Stitch. I think it's supposed to be like a plushie, but it's a transparent glitter. And then we have a Star Wars helmet for Darth Vader. We do have a Star Wars section in our little store. Opening my 3rd capsule. In this bag, we find a book. It's a hardcover. Mine's a little misshaped, but the artwork looks pretty cool. Here it is on the side, and here's the back. There are a few readable pages at the beginning. Then they're kind of blurry, but it'll still look good in the dollhouse. This feels like there's something made out of paper, maybe a shopping bag. Yep, it's an Avengers shopping bag. Where are the dolls? In this bag, we have a double for Star Wars. So I'm good on those. In the next bag, we have... Ooh! It's Moana making waves. I think the figure is complete all the way around. It looks like the box is attached to the water in the back. So I guess this is one of the movie moments. The box leans forward, so yeah, this might look better in a miniature room display rather than on the shelves in our miniature store. And our last bag for this capsule is the Elena of Avalor animator doll. I like that we're getting a new Disney princess for this collection. Opening our 4th capsule. Our first mini is Toy Box Buzz Lightyear. Then we have another helmet. It's not a double, it's Boba Fett. And since it's a half helmet, if you have like a Star Wars theme room, we could probably use these as wall decor. And in this bag, we have a Toy Box Darth Vader, and this is a Minnie Mouse plastic plush, wearing a pink dress with kind of gray polka dots. The dress is solid on the back, and the tail is not painted. In this bag, we find Mickey in a car coming out of the packaging. which looks like the same toy from an earlier series, only this one is a movie moment. We didn't find any Disney princesses in that one, so opening capsule number 5. I think this is another gift card. Yep. And this is... what's that? Ooh, it's a little golden tiara from the Animator's collection. It looks like there are 4 new dolls in this series, and so far we found 2. I love when we find the dolls. Here we have another cup. It's the Toy Story cup again. In this bag, we have... it's Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. His box is shaped like a coffin. His face does have a little bit of a shadow from the packaging. This figure is attached to the back of the box like many of the princesses. If we get a second one, we totally need to open it. And the last one for this capsule is Encanto! Yay! It's Isabella! However, the packaging says Mirabelle Singing Doll, which is the same thing on the Mirabelle Dolls box. But it's so small, so maybe nobody will notice. This is my last Disney Store Edition Mini Brands capsule for the day. Hopefully, we get a few more Disney dolls. It's a mask. This one feels like a box, and that's because it is. Disney I Found It Hidden Pictures game. It's an empty box. 3 minis to go. Here we get, it's Woody from Toy Story stepping out of the box. I kind of like the idea of putting him on the shelf next to the dolls that are still in the box. Opening our second to last one, it's Toy Box Doctor Strange. And the very last one for today is a Stitch baseball cap with ears. It's too small for a Barbie and a Chelsea doll. However, I was able to get the hat on a Lakitos figure and on a My World figure from back in the day. For me, out of this series, the VHS tapes are definitely a winner. They are a great size for the dollhouse, they open, and there's a VHS tape inside that we can take out. I'm glad I found the Encanto dolls and a new mini book, as well as a few Disney Animators Collection dolls. While I was at Target, a friend of mine told me to look for Disney villains, Chibis in Motion. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. As possible Dolls for Dolls figures. They were near like the trading cards at the store. Priced at $6.99, there are 7 figures to collect. They have arms and legs that can swing back and forth. These are keychains, so there's a little attachment at the top. But if they're the right size for the dollhouse, then we are totally going to use them. This is a surprise toy, so we don't know which one we are getting. I see blue, which makes me think Hades. And for 1/6 scale, it's a large figure. We can remove the hardware at the top. We are left with a small hole. The arms do move like the box says. And here it is with the doll. It could be a fun piece to add to a doll collector room who has a couple of large Disney collector dolls. I wouldn't mind getting a Maleficent or even a Cruella. And here we have Maleficent. Seems like she has a pretty large base, so this figure can stand on its own, and not too bad. I could totally see this doll in a Disney cabinet display. But I love working on my miniature Target, and I can't wait to see which minis we add next. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Brands Disney Store Edition Series 3. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.